British national gone missing in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An 84-year-old individual who goes by the name Lyde Whiteley of Hackney, London, England, has been missing in Jamaica since Thursday, January 21st. Whiteley suffers from psychological and physical disabilities. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 183 centimeters tall or 6 feet tall. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that Whiteley was last seen on January 21st in the Walton Park area of St. Andrew. His mode of dress at the time is unknown. All efforts to contact him since then have been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Lyde Whiteley is being asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.